Hello everyone, and welcome to English for Fun with teacher Alice. And today we're going to learn a new letter. What letter shall we learn today? Let's learn the letter U. U. This is the capital letter U. U. This is the lowercase letter U. U. Excellent. Let's write it down. U. Let's see some examples. U for unicorn. Unicorn. U for umbrella. Umbrella. U for upstairs. Upstairs. U for upset. U for underwear. Let's play a game. It's game time. I spy with my eye a word starting with U. Are you ready? Go! Excellent! Umbrella! I spy with my eye a word starting with U. Can you find it? Are you ready? Go! Excellent! Unicorn! I spy with my eye a word starting with U. Are you ready? Go! Excellent! Upset! Good job! I spy with my eye a word starting with U. Are you ready? Go! Upstairs! Good job! Let's move on and play another game. Let's start. Can you find these words? Can you find the word upset? Where is upset? Where is upset? Here it is. Excellent. Can you find umbrella? Good job. Can you find unicorn? Good. Can you find underwear? Excellent. Can you find upstairs? Good job. Excellent. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's teacher Alice and it's English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.